Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be a little bit different. Essentially what I'm going to do is I'm just going to record my Lowrance HDS Pro over here at my console as I'm idling around, and I'm just going to indicate what I'm looking at on there. I'm just going to pop up some text just explaining what is on the bottom. So hopefully it can kind of help you understand better what you're looking at on your side scan. So that's what we're going to do today. May be a little bit boring. We'll see if it actually helps you guys. All right guys, so that does it for just idling around and just kind of showing you what I'm looking at on side scan, because that's one of the most common questions I get is, how do you know what you're looking at? So just by doing these sort of videos, I think I'll, if I'm just idling around, I might as well just go ahead and record it for you and then just show you exactly what that object is or what you're looking at on your side scan. So hopefully these type of videos are helpful. Let me know in the comments below, do you want to see more content like this where it's just simple, target identification? I want to find out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm going to see you out on the water. And also make sure you check out bassboatelectronics.com for all your bass boat electronics needs. So thank you guys very much. Make sure you trust the process.